Did you know the man who ended segregation in America's public schools became the first Black Supreme Court justice in history? Stay with us as we uncover the extraordinary life of Thurgood Marshall, lawyer, activist, and the voice of justice for generations. From a young boy in segregated Baltimore to the highest court in the land, his story will inspire and amaze you. Before we begin, hit like, share this video, and subscribe so you never miss the powerful stories of Black history icons who changed the world. Thurgood Marshall was born on July 2, 1908, in Baltimore, Maryland. To a father who loved debating legal issues and a mother who was a dedicated school teacher. Growing up in a segregated city, young Thurgood witnessed racial injustice firsthand. He saw separate schools, buses, and even drinking fountains for Black and white children. These experiences planted the seeds for the passion that would define his life, a relentless pursuit of justice and equality. Thurgood attended Lincoln University, where he excelled in academics despite the challenges facing Black students in the early 20th century. He later enrolled in Howard University School of Law, where he met Charles Hamilton Houston, a brilliant legal mind who became his mentor. Houston taught him that the law could be a powerful weapon against discrimination. Under his guidance, Thurgood developed the skills and confidence that would carry him into the fight for civil rights. After graduating, Thurgood Marshall joined the NAACP as legal counsel. Traveling across the South, he defended Black Americans facing unjust laws and life-threatening situations. He often argued cases in small-town courthouses where hostility toward civil rights was intense. Despite the danger, he remained fearless. Case by case, he built a reputation as a determined lawyer who would not back down from injustice. The 1954 case of Brown versus Board of Education became the defining moment of Thurgood Marshall's career. Arguing before the Supreme Court, he challenged the legality of segregated schools, declaring that separate was not equal. The court's unanimous decision to strike down segregation in public schools marked a turning point in American history. This victory paved the way for the civil rights movement and transformed Thurgood Marshall into a national hero. If this moment in history inspires you, like this video and comment your thoughts below. Following his landmark victory, Thurgood continued to rise in the legal world. He served as a federal appeals court judge and later became the first African-American Solicitor General, representing the United States before the Supreme Court. In 1967, President Lyndon B. Johnson nominated him to the Supreme Court itself. After a hard-fought confirmation, Thurgood Marshall made history as the first Black justice on the nation's highest court. As a Supreme Court justice, Thurgood Marshall became known for his powerful opinions defending civil liberties, free speech, and individual rights. He consistently supported equal protection under the law and fought against discrimination in every form. Over his 24 years on the court, his legal opinions shaped the future of American justice and civil rights for decades to come. Outside the courtroom, Thurgood Marshall was known for his warmth, humor, and dedication to his family. He enjoyed music, good food, and time with friends. Despite the seriousness of his work, he brought laughter and humanity into every room he entered. His personal life showed that even the greatest legal minds have a softer, more personal side filled with love and family values. Thurgood's career brought him not only respect, but also financial stability. He owned comfortable homes and earned recognition from universities, organizations, and even world leaders. Streets, schools, and buildings across America would later bear his name, honoring the man who changed the course of history through courage and determination. After serving nearly a quarter-century on the Supreme Court, Thurgood Marshall retired in 1991. In his later years, he reflected on a life spent fighting injustice and defending the Constitution. He passed away in 1993, leaving behind a legacy celebrated by presidents, civil rights leaders, and citizens across the nation. Thurgood Marshall's legacy lives on in every student who studies in a desegregated classroom, every lawyer who defends civil rights, and every judge who upholds justice. He proved that one determined individual, armed with education and courage, could transform the laws of an entire nation. Thurgood Marshall's journey from a young boy in segregated Baltimore to the first Black Supreme Court justice shows us that change is possible when we dare to challenge injustice. His life reminds us that courage and determination can open doors for generations to come. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth stories of Black history icons who changed the world. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss what's next.